Bonjour everyone and welcome back to How to Pronounce French, the channel where we help you sound like a native French speaker, one word at a time. I'm Mark and in this video we will dive into proper French pronunciation technique. Let's get started. Today we will learn how to pronounce chemise, which means shirt in French. So let's do how to pronounce it perfectly. Chemise, ŝə.miz. Very slow. ŝə.miz. Chemise. So sh, a light then miz with a z sound. Chemise. Chemise. And the final is silent. Okay? Careful. In English, a chemise is quite a different piece of clothing. Here, in French, the chemise is the one with long sleeve or short sleeve, the formal one. Une chemise. Well done! If you found this video helpful, click the thumb up and subscribe to How to Pronounce French. Thanks for watching and à la prochaine!